Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you a method where you can actually add a phone number to your Steam account if you're encountering some issues and problems lately with their system. Let's begin. So open your Steam client, log into your account. Once here, click on the help option over here on the upper left part of your Steam client. Click on it. Go to Steam support. I will just maximize this. Scroll down, choose my account, and then scroll down. Go to Steam Guard. All right, this is where you need to troubleshoot things first. So basically, you read everything in here. It will actually teach you how you can ensure that your account is not limited, so you can access a whole lot of functions such as enhanced security. So you can also refer here, like you're not receiving any code at all. And if everything fails, right, you can click over here, contact Steam support. Just make sure to make your message brief and simple. Just tell them that, for example, if you cannot add your phone number because you're not receiving any codes at all from Steam or it's actually very delayed, detail everything, and you can even attach a file if you're encountering very weird errors on your end. And once done, click on send, and then it's just a matter of patience and waiting. Steam customer service will reach out to you via email. So always double check your email that you have registered your account with. It might take 24 to 48 hours as long as it's weekdays for them to respond. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.